Hello everyone, now we are going to start with question number 3 of exercise 11.3, right? So here you have to identify the operations. What are operations? Whether it is addition, subtraction, division or multiplication in forming the following expressions, and you have to tell that how the expressions have been formed. Okay. So in A part, first is z minus 1. This is one expression, comma, first is z plus 1, comma, z minus 1. Z minus 1 is second expression, comma, y plus 17, comma, y minus 17. So in A part, there are 4 expressions with us. Okay, so let's discuss. So just check now. First expression with me is z plus 1. So how this expression is formed? Z plus 1. Plus means addition is going on. So what is the operation used here? Operation used here is A part is addition. Okay. I'm talking about A part only first of all. Okay. Then we will discuss about B and C part also. Okay. So addition. Operation used is addition. And how this expression is formed? It is z added to 1. How will we write it? Z added to 1. So this was all about A part. Now next is B part. Let's discuss about B part now. B part is, again just check, it is z minus 1. So you have to write in front of z minus 1 only. Okay. So z minus 1. What is the operation used here? It is operation used is subtraction, right? And how this is formed? Here it is 1 subtracted from what? From z. So you will write 1 subtracted from z. Make sure whenever we have to write like this, from z will be from. Okay. So it is 1 subtracted from z. Okay. Okay, so just check. C part is y plus 17. So what is the operation used here? It is addition here, right? So addition is used. And how this expression is formed? It is y added to 17. It is y added to 17. Now next, let's check D part. Again check here, it is minus y minus 17. So obviously here operation used is what? It is subtraction. And how the operation is, how the expression is formed? It is 17 subtracted from y. 17 subtracted from y. Okay. So this was all about the A part of question number 3, right? Okay, now let's check the B part. 17y, y upon 17, 5z. So 17y, what does it mean? 17y means 17 is multiplied with y. So operation used here is what? It is multiplication, right? You will write it, it is multiplication. And how this is formed? 17 multiplied with 17 multiplied with your by y. 17 multiplied by y. Now next is y upon 17. Upon means it is division used here, right? So, and how the expression is formed? It is y divided by. Y upon 17 means y divided by 17, right? Now next it is again 5z. 5z means 5 multiplied by z. In the previous exercises we have seen that 5 into z will be written as 5z. So here again the operation used is multiplication. And how this is formed? 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied by z. So this was all about the B part of this question, right? So again here now students we are going to discuss D part. C part will be your homework. You can do it by yourself. Okay. So D part, first expression is 7m. Okay, 7m, again operation used is multiplication. This is multiply. Okay, so this is what? Multiplication. And how the operation, how this is formed, how this expression is formed? It is 7 multiplied with 7 multiplied by m. Okay, now just check the next part. It is minus 7m plus 3, right? So minus 7m plus 3 means there are two operations used. You can check. Minus 7m, what does it mean? This is the product of minus 7 and m. So here first operation used is what? Multiplication. You can write. And the second operation used is what? After minus 7m, it is plus 3, means second operation used is what? It is addition, right? So now just check how this expression is formed. This is the product of minus 7 and m. And what is added to the product? This is the product. Minus 7m is product of what? Product of minus 7 and m. Okay, so product of minus 7 and m. After that there is an addition sign, right? So product of minus 7 and m added to what? What is added here? It is 3. So here this is how this expression is formed. Product of minus 7 and m added to 3, right? So now let's do the next part. Last part of this question is minus 7m minus 3. Again just check the operation used here are, what are the operations used? Again just check. Minus 7m is what? It is the product of minus 7 and m. So first operation used is what? Multiplication. And then the next operation used is what? Next operation used is minus 3, means this is the subtraction, right? Now we will check how this operation, how this expression is formed. So this is what? Product of minus 7 and m. And what is subtracted from this product? 3. So you will write 3 is subtracted from 3 is subtracted from what? From minus 7m. And what is minus 7m? This is the product of what? Minus 7 and m. I hope this is clear. I repeat it again. Again, this expression is formed by using two operations. Okay, one is multiplication, other is subtraction. So here 3 is subtracted. That's why we have written 3 is subtracted from what? Minus 7m. And what is minus 7m? Minus 7m is what? Minus 7m is a product. Product of what? Product of minus 7 and m. So how this expression is formed? 3 is subtracted from the product of minus 7 and m. So this was all about question number 3 of exercise 11.3. Hope all of you have got it.